this training video, we'll cover what you need to know to create and manage takeout and dine-in orders on Rezku POS. This video uses examples typical to a quick service restaurant, but the information applies to other restaurant concepts as well. We have other videos for table ordering, phone ordering, and for bartenders that you may want to check out. Enter your PIN number to unlock the system. By default, the system shows the new order screen after login. On the left side of the screen is where you build your orders. On the right side of the screen is your menu, with all the available products that can be added to an order. On the left, at the top of the screen, is the button to set the order type. This can be done at any stage in the order before checkout, but it's important that it's the correct order type for this order. In this example, we're going to choose Dine In. Next to the order type button is the order name. In this example, we've set the order name to a number and have auto numbering enabled. A customer can also be added to your order. This is used to track customer purchases and provide loyalty points. Tap the customer button here to add a customer, or if this is hidden in the bottom left of the screen, go to the More button and then tap Add Customer. To add a product to an order, tap the name of the menu that it's in, for example sides, and then tap the product. Typical modifiers are things like the size of the item, optional sauces, and the removal of ingredients such as no onions. You can see the required modifiers for this product have a red star next to them. This means a choice must be made to add this product to the order. If you forget to select a required modifier, you'll get a warning. The buttons will shake, showing you where you need to look. When you have selected all the required modifiers, tap the Finish button. This product is now added to the order. And if you look in the order builder on the left, you can see the item name, the quantity ordered, the unit price, and the amount. And the amount is the unit price times the quantity. We can also see any modifiers for the product that have been selected. If we tap the product in the order, we can change the selected modifiers. We can update the quantity and see that the amount also changes. This is also where you will go to enter a discount or comp for an item. We can delete an item here, or we can swipe on a product to delete it. Tap the back button to go back to the menu. If your guest has a coupon, tap the Coupon button. You can also search by coupon code if the managers have set up that feature. If you need to cancel the order, tap the More button in the bottom left corner of the screen and go to Cancel. This will settle the order with the status Canceled. When your guest is satisfied with their order, tap the Checkout button. On the left side, you can see your customer's order and total. In the center, we have options for splitting a check, but this is not commonly used in a quick service scenario, so it won't be covered here. On the right, you have your payment types. Your manager will be responsible for setting up the available payment types, but this is a typical example. Cash and credit cards are the most common payment types and will be covered in this video. For cash payments, tap the Cash button. Enter the amount of cash tendered using the keypad. If you make a mistake, tap the C button to clear or the arrow button to backspace. Tap Cash when you're done. You will see the customer's change, and the drawer will pop open. The guest's receipt will print automatically, or you can tap the Reprint button. Tap Cancel to cancel cash payment, or tap Cash to complete the transaction. For credit card payments, you probably don't have a button that says credit card on the screen. Most of our current credit card readers do not require you to tap the credit card button. As soon as you're on the checkout screen, the customer can insert their card. If you see a button that says credit card, you can tap it to start credit card payment. Depending on your settings, your guest will either receive on-screen prompts to complete the transaction, or they will need to sign a printed transaction slip. If sign-on screen is not used and your manager has enabled credit card tips, you'll need to enter the tip amount for the order. Tap on the Orders button in the top right of the screen. Tap the order under Awaiting Patron's Signature. Tap Enter Tip to enter the tip amount. And once the tip is entered, the order is now settled. There are still some things you can do to manage a settled order. Tap the settled order. Tap Print to reprint the customer's receipt. Tap Transactions to issue a refund. Something to note regarding refunds is that you must enter a tip on a credit card payment before you will have the option of issuing a refund. Just enter a 0 tip. To issue a refund, this can be a full refund, a custom refund, or by item. If you tap Custom Refund, you have the option to refund a gift card for store credit. If you tap Reopen, you can reopen the order. We advise you to be careful with this. If the guest's order was wrong, it's usually better to issue a refund instead. If they want to add to their order, it's better to start a new order for those additional items, since they'll have to pay again anyway. That said, if you reopen a settled order, you can make changes to it, including items and voiding payments. If you want to void a payment, you can tap the checkout button and void it here. In this video, we covered how to take quick service orders, complete credit card and cash payments, and how to enter tips and issue refunds. Thank you for watching.